Hello everyone, welcome back to Nomo Studio. So in this video ay sasagutan po natin ang age word problem na ito. Lovely is 26 years old. Her daughter Carmen is 4 years old. In how many years will Lovely be double her daughter's age? You may pause the video if you'd like to answer. So kung iintindihin po natin yung problem, ang sabi dito, the current age or yung kasalukuyang edad ni Lovely is 26 years old. So kung 26 si Lovely, yung kanyang anak na si Carmen is 4 years old. So ngayon, tinatanong po sa atin kung ilang taon kaya ang kinakailangan para magiging doble ang edad ni Lovely sa kanyang anak. Again, we are always reminding our reviewees na wag niyo pong tandaan yung mga given problem. Ang tandaan nyo po is yung technique or strategy kung paano natin sinagutan or sinolve yung mga problems. Kasi baka sa actual na examination, sabihin niyo na iba naman yung given na name doon, hindi naman Lovely. At iba din po yung number of years, hindi naman 26 years old. Hindi talaga yon mangyayari kasi we cannot predict the actual content, kundi yung mismong concept lang or yung strategy or yung technique natin sa pagsosolve ang inyong tandaan. So, I hope klaro po yan. And now, let's interpret this into a mathematical expression. Since hindi pa natin alam kung ilan nga yung number of years na kinakailangan para madoble nga yung edad ni Lovely sa kanyang anak na si Carmen. So, let's assume X years yung hinahanap natin. Ibig sabihin lamang po nito that we will be adding these X years sa edad ni Lovely at sa edad ng kanyang anak na si Carmen. So we have 26 plus X, which is equal to 4 plus X. Pero sabi nga sa problem, hahanapin natin kung ilang taon kaya ang kinakailangan para magiging doble ang edad ni Lovely sa kanyang anak. So we need to multiply this by 2. So in other words, we have 26 plus X equal to 4 plus X times 2. So, we'll be distributing this 2 dito sa quantity na 4 plus X. So, 2 times 4 and that is equal to 8. 2 times X and that is equal to 2X. So, now we have 26 plus X equal to 8 plus 2X. Let's now operate this algebraically. So, ang gagawin muna natin is itatranspose natin si 8 dito sa kabila. Tandaan nyo po na kapag kayo po ay nagtatranspose ng any term, ma-variable man yan or ma-coefficient, ay mababago ang sign. So kapag itatransfer natin siya dito sa kabila, since positive si 8, this will become negative. So we have 26 minus 8 plus x equal to 2x. So 26 minus 8 and that is equal to 18 plus x equal to 2x. So now, itong si x naman ang itatranspose natin dito sa kabila. So this will become negative. So we have 18 equal to 2x minus x. 2x minus x and that is equal to x. So therefore, 18 is equal to x. Or in other words, 18 years pa pala ang kinakailangan para madoble ang edad ni Lovely sa kanyang anak na si Carmen. So we can double check this by adding 18 years to both ages. So we have 26 plus 18 and 4 plus 18. 26 plus 18 that is 44. 4 plus 18 that is 22. So diba, doble yung edad ni Lovely sa kanyang anak na si Carmen. 44 kay Lovely, 22 lang kay Carmen. And that's all for this video and I hope you've learned something new today. But before we end this video, test yourself. So kung bago ka pa lang po sa ating channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends. Hope to see you next time. Bye for now.